Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to check who's following you on Pinterest. So from your home feed, you're going to click on your profile, and it's really simple to check your followers. You can see it just under your profile picture. So you can see your followers here. So if you want to check who they are, you can click on there and it shows you all the people you are following. So you can go and follow them if you want. If you click these three dots, you can remove, block, or report them. If you want to check someone else's followers, I'll show you how to do that as well. So let's go back to the home feed. So if you want to see different people that are following your competition, let's have a look. So find the account you want to look at, and you're going to click on one of their pins, and we're going to click on their profile page. So the same thing under their profile picture, you can see their followers. So again, you can click on there and see who they've got following them. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you soon.